Hi there, I'm Sylvia. I'm from Tainan, Taiwan. 我的中文名字是郑丽鹏。You can call me Teacher Peng Peng or Teacher Sylvia. I'm an English teacher with 15 years of teaching experience. My husband, Vincent, and I both teach in junior high school. Now we live with our two kids. Emily is 14 and Diego is 10. We always love to meet people from different countries and often invite them to our school to share their culture, their life experience. I think this experience teach me how meaningful the language learning is when it connected to real life. As your Mandarin teacher, I can help you pick up practical Chinese from daily phrases to local custom and culture. We can cook Taiwanese food together, go to the night market, and explore many cool places nearby. Whether you are a beginner or you want to level up your Chinese, I'm here to help every step of the way. I think the best way to learn a new language is to truly immerse in the environment. So I'm very excited now because I want to share not just language but also the beauty, the warmth of Taiwan with you. 欢迎来台南跟我一起学中文哦。Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.